So engrossed with cleaning that you didn't notice the door open and shut.
I'm sorry, ma. That's your problem.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Teresa, the new domestic staff Oga just employed.
The new maid?
Yes, ma.
Stephen employs a new maid in the house and he doesn't deem it fit to inform me that we're having a new maid. Interesting. Steve!
Oga is upstairs in his room.
How did you know Oga is in his room? Suddenly gone mute? You can't speak? Oga is upstairs in his room. Have you been upstairs? Do you know where my room is situated?
I'm sorry, ma.
That's your problem again. Now is Steven's time. Steve? I am good. How are you?
No, I won't, darling.
What? You're still making dinner?
Oh, no.
Oh,
How was school?
School was fine, but I'm so hungry. I want to faint.
It's okay. All I just want you to do is go upstairs, have a very hot shower, and food will be ready in a jiffy.
Oh, you have your way with me.
You can see for yourself. Well, the kids are upstairs in their rooms.
Okay. I'll see you.
All right, baby. Hey, guys. Okay. Clearing up.
Oh,
Mom!
my babies are reading. Hi, team. Hi. Hi. Oh my God, I'm sorry. How can he hurt you? I'm sorry. Should he hurt you?
No.
You sure you're good?
Yes.
Reading.
Oh yeah.
Just got back so famished. I'll take it back.
Don't worry, Dad is making a mouth-watering dinner.
Exactly. I perceived that already.
How was school?
Long day. Very long day. I'm so tired. It's okay, baby. Let me take it back. Okay. I'll see you at the dining table.
Okay,
Finish
bye.
your assignments before food.
Yes.
Okay, watching.
Mom.
Yep.
We have not prayed.
Oh, yes, I told you I was hungry when I came, didn't I? I was dead hungry from school.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Alright, let's pray. Let's pray.
Okay. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Father Lord, bless this food as we eat in Jesus' name. Amen. Some have food, but they cannot eat. Some can eat, but they have no food. Oh Lord, bless and sanctify this food. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Okay. Can I get my spoon, please, darling?
This is good.
Yeah. Just tell me that it's quite delicious.
Give me the juice, Vincent. Pass me the juice.
Honey, I can help. Yeah, it's okay.
Pass the juice.
You know, this food is really nice.
Yeah, it is. Thank you, Clinton.
I said, pass the juice.
It's
very delicious.
Yes, it's quite delicious.
Yes.
And the chores in this house, they're becoming too stressful for me. Please look at school now and see how you can...
exactly are you insinuating? I should drop out from school and begin to do the house chores that you've always done and can still do without breaking a neck.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying you can... Let's get a help. You know, a house help, a maid.
There'll be no help in this house. There'll be no help in this house. Nobody's allowed to move into this house outside father, mother, and children. Just the way we are. What do you mean?
Honey,
You're stressing me out with complaints.
Good afternoon, madam.
So engrossed with cleaning that you didn't notice the door open and shut.
I'm sorry, ma.
That's your problem. Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Teresa, the new domestic staff Oga just employed.
The new maid.
Yes, ma.
Stephen employs a new maid in the house and he doesn't deem it fit to inform me that we're having a new maid. Interesting. Steve!
Oga is upstairs in his room.
How did you know Oga is in his room? Suddenly gone mute? Can't speak? Oga is upstairs in his room. Have you been upstairs? Do you know where my room is situated?
I'm sorry, ma.
That's your problem again. Now it's Steven's time. Steve? Steven?
Hey, baby. What's good today?
Who's that thing I'm seeing cleaning downstairs?
Oh, okay. That's actually the new maid from the agent.
Really new maid? How? Since when? Under what arrangement?
Honey, we talked about it.
No, we did not.
We did.
Talk about it, no.
We did.
No, you have no right to bring somebody here as a domestic staff, especially a woman, without talking to me or agreeing with me properly. And even if we had talked about it, I still will not agree for another woman to come into my house without my consent.
Babe, does it mean that you don't trust me?
Are you deaf? Are you blind? Aren't you seeing everything happening online with housemaids snatching people's husbands and you bring somebody into my house without letting me know?
Are you comfortable with the stress I'm going through just trying to fix things in this house? I'm just trying to bring in a help.
You're going through stress. You're drinking wine. I want her out of this house.
No, honey, please. We can talk this thing over. Trust me.
Trust who? Trust on what gender? Aren't you aware that Anita's nanny has taken Richard away from her? And you bring a nanny? I want her out with her...
Honey, I am not Richard.
Lemon striped dress.
Honey, I'm not...
Alright, your time is up. Go to the guest house, pick up every single thing you came here with and leave. Chop chop. Time's ticking.
Madam, I just resumed work today.
Do I look like I care? Go pick up your stuff and leave my house.
She is going nowhere. Naya.
This is my house, Steve. And I decide who comes in and who goes. And you see this thing standing before me with a lemon top and an orange striped arm? You're leaving. And that's right now.
First of all, Naya, this is our house. And for crying out loud, I do not understand why you are unnecessarily paranoid. Because every single thing I am doing, I'm doing for you.
I'm not paranoid. I'm being careful. What happened to Anita will not happen under my own roof. We don't need her services and we don't need help in this house.
Naya, for crying, what's wrong with you? What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you doing every single thing to make sure that all efforts I'm putting into this home to put us together is a waste of time? Why?
A waste of time because you think I am daft. I'm not dumb, Steve. You can't bring your girlfriend here to put on lemon and orange on her arm and ask me to watch her come act here like a nanny when she's not.
What did you just say? My girlfriend? Hey, I've not even met her before, for crying! How could she be my girlfriend? You're just impossible.
Madam, I'm here to work as a house help and not to sleep with your husband.
Oh,
Besides, I'm married with kids.
Shut up. Do I look like I care? Do I look like I care if you're married with monkeys and puppies? I don't. No, I don't. Oh yes, you're married. Is your husband as plumpy and as cute as mine? I guess not. Get out of here. Go pick up all of your stuff with your lemon green top and your orange striped arm and leave my house.
Naya, please stop. Naya, please. Please stop.
You just got your final warning. Please, you don't have to. Please.
Mr. Steve, I just have to go. Your wife is not okay with me, so let me go. In as much as I would like to stay to work and earn money for my husband's treatment, I still need to go.
Your husband is sick?
Yes. He has been down with partial stroke for a very long time. And we've spent a lot on his health.
But that is the more reason you need to stay back and work. If you work, you can raise some good monies that can take good care of you too. Huh? Please.
I need to go. That decision is not for you alone to take. It's between you and your wife, or not the other way around. Let me just go.
Okay, it's fine. I'm really sorry for dragging you to this place. And I really feel embarrassed for you, right? I only spoke to the agent and asked him to send me help. And I'm so sorry for whatever has happened. And I hope you don't mind if I just support you with some funds to take good care of your husband. Please.
Please, I don't want anything.
Please, can you just give me your account details? Please.
Okay.
Please, what bank do you use?
Access.
Okay. Call your account number.
071.
Okay.
87.
Okay.
87 again.
Okay.
017.
Okay, I've seen it, Teresa. Okay. I just sent you 1 million for you to take care of your husband. Yes. Oh my God! Please don't scream, don't scream. It's okay. It's okay. Just take care of your husband.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
I'm so sorry for your time.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for the embarrassment too.
Thank you, sir. It's fine. Thank you so much. God bless you.
What was the meaning of that, Steve?
What was the meaning of what?
You gave that woman ₦1 million. What did she do to deserve ₦1 million?
Point of note. The woman you just relieved of her job has a family just like you and also has a sick husband to take care of.
I made him sick? If your answer to that question is no, I ask again, why did you give her ₦1 million? What did she do? Your Father Christmas. Why don't you go out in the street, gather all the beggars and give them food and water?
Mom, stop. Just stop. I mean, Dad, even in his tight schedules, tries his possible best to do all the chores in this house. And he decided to get a help. Still, you were not okay with it. I know your plans. Yes. You're trying to make my dad to do everything in this house.
Clinton, stop that. Do not ever speak to your mother.
Let the young man flex his muscles. He wants to challenge me. You were saying?
This is my dad's house. And that is my dad's money. So I don't see how this concerns you.
Clinton, you have to put your character in check. Else I will slap you and get every single teeth out of your mouth. Stop! You heard me. Get your teeth out of your mouth. Anybody else has something to say?
You really need to calm down. I swear to God, you really need to calm down. If anybody should understand what I'm going through in my business, what I'm going through in my life right now, it should be you. You're just being insensitive.
Oh really? I thought you were weak just now. I thought you were crying just now. Honey, please. Let me warn you. Since you have chosen to insult me this night, when we get on that bed, make sure you stay on your wing and don't cross to my wing. I don't want your hands, your tongue, or your mouth crossing from where you're supposed to be down to where I am.
Listen, I married you. I married you.
Very well then. I'll sleep with a machete this night. Come close and see.
Steven. Wow.
Steven, what is wrong with you? I mean, look at you. Ifunanya has reduced you to nothing, all in the name of acquiring certificates upon certificates. What is the problem?
My brother, that's what promising can cause. I promised her and I promised her parents that I will ensure she finishes her first degree to her final degree and her master's degrees. I promised them that, and that's what is going on right now.
So is that why you want to kill yourself? Is that the reason you should die?
There's nothing dying here. I'm just trying to make you understand that she's from a family that loves education. Her father is a chief judge, her mother is a lawyer, and a medical doctor at the same time. You can imagine that kind of family.
You still don't get it, do you? Steven, I'm not against you training your wife in school. What I'm against is her turning you into a houseboy. I mean, you do all the house chores, you pay the tuition fees of the children, and herself inclusive. What else do they want?
If it comes to that, I blame you. I totally blame you. What? Because you caused it. The first and the last time I suggested we should get a maid, do you know what she said? Oh, you really want to, what happened to my friend Anita and Richard to happen to us, where I will end up marrying my house help and all that beautiful stories that touches that. I'm like, why would you be saying that? Why would you be comparing me with Richard?
Really? How can someone as educated as Ifunanya be telling another man's story? It is not hard to tell another man's story. Well, Steven, if you must know, I caught Anita in bed with another man.
Huh?
Yes, on our matrimonial bed. And it was when we got separated that I decided to marry the maid to help me take care of the kids.
Wow.
So not like I intentionally want to get married to a maid.
Why are women like this? Why do they always want to make us feel like we're evil, that we cheat all the time, but they are actually the bad people there? Can you imagine? Like nobody ever told this part of the story.
Even your wife that accused you of bringing your side chick home to feign as a domestic staff might be having a skeleton in her closet.
Oh, no. Richard, I don't want to tell that. I don't want to think it. I don't want to ever imagine it. So please, let's just leave that part.
Steven, really?
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Are you going to act like you don't know what I'm talking about?
No, I know what you're talking about and I don't want to know what you're talking about. Listen, let's just go to where we planned to go to, please.
It's okay.
Hi, Greg.
Yeah, I was thinking if I could get a ride with you.
No.
Why are you doing this? You don't want to date me now. You don't also want to give me a ride.
Date you. I'm a married person with kids.
Oh, I never knew you were married.
Oh, yes, I'm married.
Wow. Sorry.
No problem.
I guess I have to go.
Yes, sir.
Greg, I told you that Naya is a married woman with kids. I told you that. Eh? But you wanted hearing from the horse's mouth. Now you see for yourself.
This is more than hearing from the horse's mouth. Trust me, Leo, I thought this was one of your jokes, you know. But now I know that she's married. I will back out. I'll never disturb her again. Trust me.
Greg, good for you. You better back out. Look, let me tell you, I even heard the dad is a chief magistrate and her mom is a medical doctor. So even when she left school for world moral lessons, that was when her husband met her and even wanted to get him married to her, but the parents refused.
Why?
Because they want her to be educated. Yes.
So?
Look, Greg, the guy even promised to train her in school if the parents allow him to marry her.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Nice one. He must be a very good man, you know?
Of course he is.
Oh, okay. I can imagine the husband must be very rich.
Of course, Greg, the guy is very rich. And a friend of mine told me the same thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Naya is a very lucky person. She's always lucky.
Yeah, she's lucky. Very lucky.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any message from me?
Mr. Williams from the US called, but
Okay.
you were not on set to speak to him.
Okay.
So he said he dropped an email for you. Please do check it out.
Okay.
I dropped the file on your desk.
Okay.
Are you alright, sir?
I'm fine.
Excuse me, sir. Would you mind tea or coffee?
No.
He's late to work today. The attitude. That's weird.
Steven, I want you to go home and think about everything I just told you. Alright? You're not doing it right at all.
Truthfully, I'll think about it. Right?
Okay.
But question is, what am I thinking about? The only thing there is I wake up early in the morning, as early as 4 or 5 a.m. to do breakfast, prep up the kids, send them to school, drop them off. You know, before I come to work, then I have to sometimes pick them up and drop them back at home, make lunch, dinner. What's there?
Steven, you are the man of the house. But from everything you just said, you're playing the wife. I mean, what is this?
Listen, there is no theory. There is no particular formula in marriage. You can fix your marriage the way you want as long as you're happy. The fact is I'm happy. This is my family here. And I love the way it's running. I don't have a problem.
Steven, I can see if Naya has succeeded in turning you into a houseboy. Or should I say you turned yourself into one? I mean, look at you. Look at what you have reduced yourself into.
Richard, I love what I do. I love my wife. I love my family. And I do it for love.
Love. Love, you say. Look, you had other options. I remember telling you you should go for a lady who was done with her education and ready to settle down.
I chose my wife because I love her.
Okay, good. Fine. I've done my bits. I will not say anything again.
Alright, let's leave this gist, abeg.
It's alright.
See you later.
Okay.
Let me get back to work.
Take care, man. Alright.
Naya, all I'm saying is have pity on your husband. Has he not tried?
What do you mean has he not tried?
Do you want to kill him?
How?
Naya, how can a man be doing the work of a husband and wife at the same time?
I do not want another woman in my house. No help, welcome. He can do it. He's not dying. He's always done it and he's fine.
Naya, okay. Why not you teach your children, since they are grown now, how to do the house?
Yes.
And
I hear you. Can we please go back to our discussion now? I don't like whenever we meet and you try to make my family problem paramount. Everybody's hinting me about this whole thing and it's exhausting. I've heard you.
Naya, are you sure you don't want to drop this to your master?
I've heard you, Ruth. Don't kill Steve. Steve is doing the job of a woman and a man. Oh, Steve cannot be cooking and cleaning. Teach the children how to cook and clean. I've heard you.
Are you sure you don't want to drop
Oh my God! No!
Clinton.
Yes?
Please, can you help me with this?
Okay. What subject?
Basic science.
Change. What is change?
Change is an act or process where something is different.
Okay, you're correct. So, what do you want?
Types of change.
Okay. Temporarily change, which can also be referred to as reversible change, and then permanent change, which can also be referred to as irreversible change.
I know that.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Temporary change is the one that can be reversed, while permanent is the one that can't be reversed.
Oh. So what do you want?
Features of the type of change.
Okay.
I think mom is back. I'll be right back. You can come back to this later.
Please. It's not possible. Just asking me questions and you can answer.
Wow. This is really good.
Thank you, sir.
How did you even do this? Mr. Williams is going to love this.
You think so?
I know so. This is wonderful. This is... Wow. Thank you very much, Colette.
I am only doing the job I am paid to do. Moreover, I am glad you love it.
Yeah, I do.
I saw the state you were in today and I decided to stand in for you.
I lack words to say thank you to you, darling. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
If everybody could just work like you, we will be number one on the Forbes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. That's a lot.
Thank you. Wow. I love this already. Hey guys! Hey. What's the problem? Why are you both sitting this gloomy? Is everything okay? Are you hungry? I saw your mom's car downstairs. Where is she?
She's sleeping.
You know, Dad, Mom came back since 2 p.m. And then I begged her to cook. And you will not believe what she told me, Dad. She yelled at me. And then she told me that you will cook when you come back.
Dad, Mom told Tricia that you are the only one cooking in the house. Dad, you have to really be the husband here.
It's fine. It's not a problem. You know, we had that conversation, your mother and I, so I promised her that.
Daddy, don't act like one, okay? I just asked her to cook because I want us to taste her meal.
Yeah.
At least for once.
I understand. It's fine. I told you I'll get it fixed. It's a conversation we agreed on, you know? Like when she was leaving school, she called me, I called her, and we're like, okay, when I come back, I'm gonna cook. You understand? But don't worry.
Dad.
Yeah.
You have to be the husband here. You are the man of the house.
I know I'm the man of the house. So, okay. Can I cook now, please?
No. Mom is cooking.
No, I have to go cook. Right? And I told you, I don't like you talking about your mom in that manner. Please. Don't worry, guys. Go on, brighten up. Right, ouch! Oh, you beat my head, but I'm still gonna use it to go cook. Now I'm gonna go. Kitchen.
Look at my dad.
Hey, baby. You're back already. Came back pretty early, huh?
Early lectures.
Oh.
I finished my lectures and I said to come home and rest.
Oh.
It's okay.
I saw the kids and then, did you prepare something for us to eat?
Prepare what? Something like what?
I mean, you know, you came back early, so I expect that, you know, you could just
Don't I look hungry to you? I came back early. My shoulder hurts. You said to lie down here and wait for you to come so you can prepare something for everyone to eat. Since when did I start cooking?
Okay, it's not a problem, darling. Maybe for a start, let me get you freshly squeezed.
No, not juice, food.
Okay.
My shoulder hurts. I'm hungry.
Okay. Let me quickly make up something. And my wife is hungry.
So, you're the one cooking again.
Clinton, my son. Are you here to help your dad, or are you here to complain?
You don't seem to care about Mom's attitude in this house. And it's really getting on my nerves.
Oh, wow. We're not here to talk about your mom, are we?
Dad, you're not supposed to be doing all these chores. Cooking, sweeping, washing. Dad, you should hire a maid.
Your mother does not want a maid. And I'm fine.
So let her do it herself. She's the most unreasonable woman I've ever...
Stop!
Nemo, so how were you and the family?
I told you, we're fine. We're pushing through.
What of studies?
Studies is exhausting. It's just... But I'm trying. I'm trying to...
I can imagine. I can understand.
It's hard.
School stress can really be something else.
It's killing.
I know. So how have you guys been coping?
Mom, we're trying. Still trying to enter from assignment to another assignment. It's just exhausting.
I can imagine.
Mom, we're hungry.
What?
We're hungry.
Oh, I'm Naya. It's nice to meet you.
Mom? Where are your children? You can't starve while waiting for Dad to come back from work. Please, we're hungry.
You said you are hungry. I introduced myself. My name is Naya. Am I the one that gives you food before? Am I? Go and wait for your daddy to get back. Why are you bothering me?
Mom, why are you doing this? You don't even care about your family. Why?
So as tall as you both are, you can't go to the kitchen and prepare noodles for yourself until you're ready.
How are we supposed to do that? When you have never ever even gone to the kitchen to cook, let alone to teach us how to cook.
What are those children saying? Does it mean you don't cook? Oh, you practically left cooking and washing of dishes for your husband. Hey.
Yes, these things are very, very important. Indicating specific things. I like what this engineer is doing. I really like it. The guy is detailed. Why would you not? How come we've not been using him since?
I wouldn't know that, but to be honest, whoever the engineer is doing an amazing job. Sir, are you okay? Sir, you okay? Sir. Somebody help! Somebody help, please! Anyone around, come! Please help! Somebody help!
What's the problem?
Please help me, hold it!
What's the problem?
Sir.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
Nanya, a good woman builds her home and not to destroy it. A virtuous woman who can find her. Her price is far above rubies. She makes her home and she cooks food for the family. Your husband, Stephen, has sacrificed enough. He promised us he was going to see you through school. And that he has been doing. That you are in school does not mean that you have to neglect your family. Family, they say, is everything. Nanya. Don't lose your family on the ass of foolishness. Now, get your ass off the couch and go and make meals for your children.
I can't. Those two should be able to go to the fridge, take a slice of bread, put butter on it, and swallow it until their dad comes.
Bread and tea in the afternoon.
To hold hunger, at least. Something to hold the hunger.
Hey. Ifunanya. I did not raise you and your siblings like that. I equally schooled under my husband back then. But that does not mean that I don't have time for my family. I had a help. Who helped me with the children.
No. No advice or talks about getting a help will be tolerated. I can't afford to have somebody come in here in the guise of being a help and taking my husband away from me. I don't need a help.
How paranoid can you get? You don't even trust your husband.
Trust, you see? Mommy, Hello? Who's this? What?
What is it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I'm on my way right now.
What is it?
My husband.
Stephen,
what happened to him? He fainted at the site. They are taking him to the hospital. My car keys! My car keys! Doctor,
Madam,
what is wrong with my husband?
what does your husband do?
He owns his own company.
Aside owning his own company, do you have idea if he does any strenuous job that could warrant him fainting?
Strenuous job? Outside company stress or company worries, there's nothing more he does that is strenuous. And he's a very strong person.
Do you mean you have no idea what your husband does?
I know what he does. He owns his own company. I'm in the dark in all of this. What exactly is wrong?
Madam, your husband is unconscious. He is drained. He does not sleep well.
Drained?
But how come he doesn't sleep that much?
I don't know why he doesn't sleep that much. What do you mean he's drained? Drained how?
He is exhausted. He does not sleep well. He needs a lot of rest.
How is he now? I mean,
Grandma, what happened to Dad?
Your daddy is fine. Let's wait for your mommy to come back to tell us what happened.
I pray nothing bad happens to my dad. Because it will be the end for us.
Clinton, why would you say a thing like that?
Grandma, Mom hates us. She does. The reason for her not caring about our well-being, it's Dad all this while, doing everything for us.
Yes,
Dad does all the cooking, the chores. He even takes us to school and brings us back. While even on holidays, Mom just stays at home doing nothing. I hate her.
Keep quiet, Clinton. Why would you say you hate your mom?
Please, do not call her my mother. The only people I have in my life is my sister and my dad. The way she treats us in this house, is it fair? I just pray nothing happens to my dad, because if it happens, it will be the end for us. God, please, let nothing happen to my dad.
It's okay. Your daddy will be fine, okay? Your daddy will be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Sir?
Yes?
Do you have idea if your friend is having business-related issues that could trigger him stress and insomnia?
Not at all. Why do you ask?
I am sure you are aware he fainted. And the last time I checked, he's a CEO and he has so many staffs under his payroll. So I'm just wondering what could trigger him stress.
Well, doctor, I think this has to do with family stress.
Family? And how do you mean?
You might not understand, doctor, but this has to do with his wife. It's all her fault.
His wife?
Yes.
How?
You see that young man over there? Is subjected to rigorous activities at home by his wife. I know this because I'm close to the family.
Trisha, tell me the
Grandma, Mom is not bad.
Yes.
Are you sure that condition is not even critical?
Trisha, I don't think it is. Your mommy would have called me.
Grandma,
Come.
I pray nothing happens to my dad.
Clinton, nothing has happened to your dad. And nothing will happen to him. You don't need to worry. Okay? Let me quickly finish this food so you guys can eat.
I've lost my appetite.
Trisha, you better go and get your appetite wherever you lost it. I've told you guys not to worry. Your dad is fine. Okay?
Then why is Mom not here yet?
Oh, here she comes. You are back?
Yes.
So how is he?
He's still unconscious.
Then why are you here? You're supposed to be in the hospital with your husband.
We have exams tomorrow.
Really?
What do you mean?
What?
Mommy.
I am surprised at you.
Mommy, Colette and Richard are there with him.
Can you hear yourself sound so stupid? You left your husband at the mercy of his friend and secretary. All in the name of one stupid exams? Who does that?
You're calling my second master's degree stupid.
Ifunanya,
Mommy.
what is acquiring one certificate to the other without a peaceful home? What is education without family?
Did I tell you I don't have a peaceful home? Are we not peaceful? Why not?
Your life revolves around you getting educated without getting your family. But listen, let me tell you. If you get education without your family, you have failed woefully. Now, go back to the hospital and look after that man.
I can't do that. I have exams tomorrow. I need to prepare for it. But what do you guys want, my soul?
I hate you, Mom. I hate you so much.
What did I do?
I really hate you.
No, you can't hate me. Wait, no, he's not dead. Hey!
Ifunanya,
Mommy,
go back and look after your husband.
He's not
Go
dead.
and look after him.
He's not even brain dead. He's just unconscious. I swear he's not dead. He's alive.
Oh, my head. Where am I? Colette.
Is he unconscious?
Where am I? Where is this place?
Hospital.
Hospital? What am I doing in the hospital?
So you fainted at the site, so some good persons helped me to bring you to the hospital.
Okay.
Let me call the doctor.
Okay, no, wait. Oh my head.
He's conscious.
Thank God. Let me see. Okay. You need to relax, okay?
Relax?
You'll be fine. I promise you.
Okay, well, sorry, where's my wife?
She came and left afterwards.
You mean my wife left me here?
She said she'll be writing an exam tomorrow, so she asked me to stay back and take care of yourself.
She'll be writing an exam. Doctor, can I ask for a favor?
I'm listening. What's it?
I want to be discharged.
I'm sorry. That's not possible. You have to remain here till tomorrow.
No, doctor. No. I really need to go home. I really need to go take care of my children. I need to take care of them because my wife is writing an exam. Please.
Exactly my point, Mr. Steve.
You overstress yourself, which is not good for your health. You need to calm down, relax, and get healed properly.
So are you sure about this?
Okay. Okay, let me make you understand one thing. I don't like hospitals, right? The smell of the drugs, everything, the environment, it makes me sick. It disgusts me. It might even make me more sick here. Let me go, please.
Mr. Steve, I insist you remain here till tomorrow.
No, I persist. I want to go home. Are you the one sick?
Mr. Steve, I insist you remain here till
tomorrow. No, I insist, doctor. It's my body. Are you the one sick?
Clinton, you and your sister should go to bed. Have you forgotten you are going to school very early tomorrow?
Grandma, how can we go to bed when we don't even know our father's whereabouts? We don't even know his state as we speak.
Or maybe he's dead.
Trisha, why would you say a thing like that? Didn't you hear when your mother said your father fainted? And that he's lying unconscious in ICU?
Maybe it's not true.
Can you stop?
Dad is dead. And Mom came and lied to us that he is unconscious.
Can you stop this?
Clinton, Dad is dead.
You both should stop, please. Ifunanya! Ifunanya! Ifunanya, how come you don't care about your husband's welfare? Hi. Stephen is lying on the hospital bed, unconscious, and you are here.
Who says I don't care? Of course I care. But you're all sounding as if he's dead. He's not dead, he only fainted.
As a matter of stress, you're the one that caused him that stress.
I'm the one that hit him something on his head and he fainted. How did I stress him?
How can someone that fainted in the afternoon, up till now, he has not recovered consciousness?
It depends on the kind of faint he fainted. He'll be fine. He'll soon be back home.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? Now listen, you have to go downstairs and calm your children down. Because they are crying their eyes out and they have refused to go to sleep until they see their father. Go there and talk to them like a mother should.
You are their grandmother. If you can't calm them down, am I the one they will listen to?
They are your children. They are your children. I understand that you are chasing your dream. You are pursuing a noble cause, that I know. But you need to make friends with your kids and your husband as well.
Mommy, my happiness is also a priority. I'm not going to stop hustling or going to school because somebody is feeling bad about it. I don't care whose ox is God.
Is this what education is all about? So this is what education have turned you into? An unreasonable fellow?
I'm reasonable.
Hey! You better go and see these children. Go downstairs and see them.
It's not as if he's dead. He just fainted. Guys, he just fainted.
How are you?
Fine. Though we're not fine.
Why? You've not eaten?
No.
Why?
I'm not hungry.
Why are you not hungry? Your mom did not cook something?
Grandma tried making something for us, but we did.
Oh, Grandma is around.
Yeah.
Stephen!
Grandma! How are you, ma?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank God you are back.
Good evening, ma.
How do you feel now?
Fine. Fine.
Good evening, dear. You're welcome.
The doctor insisted that I stay back, but I needed to come back home and take care of my family, knowing that my wife is going for an exam tomorrow.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. How is everybody?
Thank God.
Oh.
Sir.
Oh,
Sorry.
my jacket and my phone. Yeah. Thank you, Colette.
Sir, please do take care of yourself.
I will.
Take your medications and I'll call to check up on you.
Thank you. And when you get home, let me know too.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Bye, ma.
Thank you.
Daddy.
You're welcome. I missed you guys too.
To rest.
Oh.
To rest. Steve! Steve! Why are you still sleeping? The kids are ready for school. I'm ready to go to school. Why are you in bed? Aren't we having breakfast?
Baby, the doctor said I should rest. He even insisted I stay back in the hospital, but I decided to come back, please.
The doctor can't ask you to. Your kids are going. No, you should starve. I mean, you have to get up and do something.
I mean, there's bread in the fridge. They can have tea now. Make tea for them.
Well, if it runs down to bread and tea, I'm sure they can make bread and tea themselves. So who drops them off?
Babe, drop them now, please. I'm so
I
tired.
can't. My first lecture is for 8 a.m. and I really can't. Can you please not cry and get up? You still like you're dead. You're not going to die.
No, I have to stand up and start taking care of the kids.
You're not going to die. Just get up and do something with your time and your life.
My tummy, my tummy.
I think you are going overboard. You are so lucky to have a cute, rich husband who loves and cherishes you.
Now you're beginning to sound exactly like my mother. Steve isn't doing anything other than what he promised to do. Why is everybody frustrating me about it?
Are you being serious, Naya? Now I want to ask you a question and I need you to be sincere with the answer. Naya, what are you going to give to Steve in exchange for his good heart?
Can you let me read in peace?
Like seriously?
Can you just let me revise my oh God.
You see? This is all.
Can I have peace?
You see? This is all.
Can I have peace?
Oh, how are you feeling? Oh, bro. Man. Make yourself comfortable. I feel good, feel better. Feel better, man. How far?
Why did you ask Dr. Mitchell to discharge you?
Bro, I just hate hospitals, man. I just hate that awful smell in there, man. It turns me off. Turns me off. I swear.
Stephen, I'm not comfortable with this. I mean, I know your wife very well, and I hope she's not stressing you out.
Oh, no. No, she's not.
Are you sure?
No, she's not. It's just that she did something this morning that got me thinking, but I said, oh.
Something like what? What did she do?
Well, Naya understands how I feel. She knows I'm not feeling too strong, and she still insisted that I have to make breakfast for the family and take these kids to school. And I'm wondering, hey.
What? Stephen! And you're taking it lightly? I mean, what kind of a woman did you get married to?
Oh, come on, stop.
No. After everything that happened to you, she refused to show you empathy. Does she want you dead?
No, don't do that thing. Listen, dude. Fact is, I love my wife. I love my wife so much. I mean, from the depth of my heart, with everything I have. You know? It just reminds me of how I got here. You get my point? You know, the whole world, we're just over the fact that she's too tender, you know, she needs to finish school and all, but I told them, dude, I love her.
Stephen, look, no one is disputing that. We all know you love your wife. But at least, had it been you guys dated for some time, that would have been a different ball game.
Yeah, that's true. Very true.
You know, that's the part I blame myself. But, bro, I just came back from the States. I came back, saw this tender, young-looking, you know, innocent girl. I said I wanted to marry her. And I followed it up and I was determined about it. And boom, that was it. We got married. Funny, right?
I'm not laughing over what you said. I'm laughing because you're supposed to use the right word and boom, this is where you find yourself. I mean, as exposed as you are. You came back to Nigeria, you met a young naive girl and you were so quick to get married to her. I mean, who does that?
Well, I did it. Don't blame me. Over there in the West, you know, when you meet someone and you're in love with a person, all you do is make sure the person is happy. You do anything, everything that will make the person happy. That's all that matters. Trust me. That's all that matters.
Okay. Teach me more. Even when your life is at risk. Teach me more. No problem.
Ifunanya, can you rephrase what you just said now?
I said I want to remarry.
You want to remarry? I don't get it. How can you be married and you're talking about entering into another marriage?
Mommy, how old was I when I married Steve? I barely finished writing my secondary school exams. I did not know what it felt like to love somebody. But now I do.
Hey! My daughter has lost it. Hey! Ifunanya, before you came up with this, did you consider the children? What will be their fate?
If they want to go with me, that's fine. If they want to stay with their father, so be it.
Is this how you want it? A broken marriage?
I mean, I don't love Steve. I've tried to love him, but I can't.
Hey! Ifunanya, are you sure nothing is wrong with your head? You must be out of your mind. You know, before now, I never knew you're such an ingrate.
I mean, I'm not an ingrate. Don't call me an
ingrate.
ingrate.
You bother to know how Steve will take this. Your decision to walk out of his life to be with another man will break his heart. I know this.
I'm supposed to die? I don't love somebody. I'm supposed to die? My happiness is paramount, Mommy. I've met somebody I love and somebody I want to settle down with. But I want to move on. All you can do is support me.
Ifunanya.
Mommy.
My George, I think Ifunanya is going bananas. And you need to call her to order. Because she's about to make the worst mistake of her life.
How is our daughter's working out on that weekly life a big mistake?
You knew?
Yes, of course. She says she has found a better man.
A better man, you say? Jeffrey, don't tell me that Ifunanya is about to leave her husband for another man.
She said she doesn't feel anything for Steve anymore. And I think we should respect her decision of being with a man that she truly loves.
I don't get it. Jeffrey, you and your daughter used Steve. You used a good man. So Ifunanya now wants to dump him after everything he did for her, after all the sacrifices?
Steve is an illiterate weakling ass and can no longer be the husband of my learned daughter.
Oh, learned daughter?
I will help her, get a divorce. And that's it.
Learned daughter indeed. Steve made her. It was Steve that made her who she is today. This young man gave his life in order to make her attain the level she is today.
Bridget.
What you and your daughter are trying to do is not fair. It will surely weaken this man.
Bridget, go and freshen up. That marriage is as good as over.
Babe, you're going out?
Yes, I'm going out.
Oh.
Of course I'm going out.
Yeah, it's because, today is Saturday and I was actually thinking, we could spend time together as a family.
I'm confused. When I walked in here, did I argue with you that today's Tuesday? Of course today's Saturday. I have an appointment.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. It's just that I was thinking in my head, more like a suggestion. We could spend some time together as a family. You cook for us. You and I could go to the market, buy some things. After cleaning the house, we could just sit down.
You abort that suggestion? You cook like you've always cooked, and then you clean and do whatever it is you intend to do with yourselves. I have an appointment and I will not be back till 6 p.m.
6 p.m.? Come on, no. We could spend some time as a family. It's fun. God, you just sit down and be a family.
Dad.
Oh, yes.
You are the head of this family.
I know.
If you don't act fast, you may lose your home.
Yes, Dad. Clinton is right. You see, you're the man of this house, right? You should have the same.
I held your dreams in trembling hands.
I heard someone talk back at your mom. Who spoke back at your mom?
Mom?
Yeah.
Do we have a mom?
Clinton.
Do you call that a mom? If not you, won't we be in an orphanage home by now?
No.
Dad, we need to call a spade a spade. Someone has to look at her in her face and tell her the honest truth. The truth is often bitter, but someone has to say it.
I understand. I just need you guys to have your meal, right?
Daddy, I think I've lost my appetite.
Me too.
No, please. No, please. It took me a lot to make this meal, please. Please, guys.
Dad,
Please.
I'm too angry to eat.
Do it for me. For me, please. Please, Clinton. Honey, I am really sorry on behalf of the kids. They told me at the dining table that they disrespected you.
They insulted me. Yes, children I gave birth to now stand in my presence and they insult me to my face.
Honey, I'm so sorry.
What do you mean you're sorry? You coached them?
No, I don't.
What do you mean you're sorry?
I will never teach our children to insult you or disrespect you for what? Honey, I'm so sorry. But just look at it. I know you're preparing for your exams. I'm trying to say to you, please, forgive them.
Do you really think I care if you lie down? Do you think I care even if you lie down and roll over? They've grown guts, especially Clinton, insulting me, talking trash to my face.
Okay. I think the only way we can fix this is, I know you have exams coming, but can you just make up a little time?
I carried us when you couldn't see.
Our family is just drifting right before our eyes. But I have a bad feeling. I think Mom is up to something.
I feel for Dad, honestly. I thought that his admission in the hospital would change her. But I guess I thought wrong.
Well, I blame Dad. I do. He doesn't see anything wrong in everything she does in this house.
Well, he loves her.
Yes. He loves her. But upon all the love he has been showering on her, she still hates us. She hates him.
Okay, so what do you want us to do?
Grandma have tried talking to her, but she didn't give a budge.
Okay. Why don't we talk to Grandpa?
No way. Grandpa is very wicked. I think she got that from him. Maybe we'll tell our paternal uncle or aunt. Or better still, we'll tell Uncle Richard and his wife. That means we're visiting them tomorrow.
Baby,
you're here.
How you doing today? Mm. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Trisha and Clinton were here earlier on.
Clinton
Yes.
and Trisha
Yes.
came to this house. Is everything okay?
They came to complain about their mom's attitude towards the family and that we should help them talk to her.
So Clinton and Trisha said those words to you.
I'm telling you, babe, I don't like what Naya is doing to her family. See, if she loses her family, she's going to regret it for the rest of her life.
I'm tired. I mean, what is it I haven't said about Naya's nonchalant attitude towards her family? I don't even know what to say anymore.
I feel for those children. They are going through a lot, both emotionally, psychologically. What she's doing to them is affecting them negatively.
And the worst is, Naya can never be wrong in Steve's eyes. Imagine waking up a man who was discharged from the hospital to go and cook and prepare the kids for school. What sort of a lady is that?
You're kidding me, right?
Just wait. Wait until she wakes up one morning and tells Steve, I'm no longer interested in this marriage.
Same thing Clinton said though. Babe. This is nice.
Thank you. It's fresh juice.
Our doctor.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Steve deserves some accolades, you know.
Okay, give it to him. Well, there's nothing he's doing my parents couldn't have done. I mean, we have a doctor in our family, we have a lawyer, we have an engineer, we have a pilot, we have everything. My family believes so much in education, so.
But still yet, Steve deserves some accolades.
Give it to him.
For living up to his promise, you know.
Give it to him.
Naya, I came for us to talk.
Okay, I'm listening.
About you and your family.
You're here to talk about my family?
Yes.
No, I'm confused. You're here to gossip about my family?
Gossip? Your children are embittered. Your family needs you. They feel abandoned. Your husband needs you. Ifunanya, why are you doing this?
This is totally unacceptable. My son, this is where we really have to come in. We need to call our daughter to order so that she doesn't destroy her family with her own hands.
What is wrong with you? Why are you trying to make a mountain out of a molehill? And why are you using those obnoxious statements against our daughter?
All what I'm doing it for my daughter. For our daughter. But can't you call her to order?
Call her to order? How? How do I do that? And why in the first place should I even do it?
Ifunanya is treading on a path of regrets. And I'm doing all this to avoid the avoidables. As her parent, it is our duty to call her to order. In order for her to know that there are things she's neglecting that are not meant to be neglected.
I still do not understand you. I am still trying to figure out what you're talking
Jeffrey,
about.
stop the pretense. Stop pretending as if you don't understand what I mean. Stephen may not come out to tell you that Ifunanya is neglecting her duties simply because he loves her and he doesn't want their marriage to crash.
Were you not there when this young man came here pleading and kneeling down here and there that he would take Ifunanya from here to everywhere, to education, if we allow him to marry our daughter?
And he did it, yes.
Says who?
For the records, Ifunanya has first and second master degree. All thanks to Stephen.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, my daughter have only just started.
I'm not ready for all this.
No, this is new. Salome, wait, no. I mean, you want to become a marriage counselor on my head? On this head that is wearing a wig? You? After snatching Anita's husband, you want to become a marriage counselor on my issues?
If now you can insult me the way you want because I'm in your house. I only came because of your children you abandoned. Same way she abandoned her family for a maid. She was busy sleeping with different men. Bringing in gigolos to the house, to her matrimonial bed, to sleep with them. Her husband even caught her the other day. And they ran away. Till date, nobody has seen her. Ifunanya, you're shocked, right? It took me 2 years to say yes to Richard. So I'm not here to say otherwise. I only came here for an advice. If you don't stop what you're doing, trust me, you're going to lose your home. The same way Anita lost hers. That's all I have to say.
Salome, the husband snatcher, came to advise me in my own house, right after sipping fresh juice.
What are you doing here? It's really true you left your home for a maid?
I had to leave my cheating husband.
Richard cheats?
Could you imagine I usually barge in on him, making love with his sex girl in the office?
Jesus Christ.
The last straw was when I barged in on him on top of Salome, making love with her.
Which Salome?
In our living room, the same Salome you know.
You made?
I have to save my sanity.
What do men really want?
Men are cheats. There's this notion that they can't just stay with one woman alone. I have to save my dear life. I can't continue bearing the pains.
She was cheating? Oh! Anita was cheating and she lied to me. With a gigolo. So if Anita had a gigolo, it means that Richard wasn't doing it. Well, oh my God. It's not like I like Salome or anything, but she's been looking good since she married Richard. Clinton? Trisha? Hey, I know you can hear me. Come here right now. Clint! This way. Did you by chance leave this house? Did you leave this house and go to Richard's house? If you did, why? What did you say to Salome? Have you suddenly gone deaf and dumb? Both of you on your knees. I'm not playing with you. On your knees. With your hands up. No, I don't mean your hands like this in worship. I mean your hands like this in punishment. Hands in the air, guys. Okay. What did you say to Salome? You are going to remain like this for the rest of the day. I mean, since you can now go out of the house and talk to strangers about family problems, you remain like this. Hey, Trisha, hands up in punishment, not in worship. Awesome. Awesome.
Stephen, your wife insulted Salome, and that didn't go that well with me. I mean, Salome meant well. Why would she say such despicable things to her? Stephen, Naya went to the extreme. She called her husband snatcher. Who was she referring to? And who did they snatch? Please, you really need to talk to her. A woman makes her family work and not the other way around. Stephen, all I'm saying in essence is you need to be the man of the house. Salome has just completed her second degree program. Yeah, so all I'm saying in essence is you fulfilled all obligation you owe her. Okay, so she should wake up to her responsibility as a wife in that house. Stop over pampering her. Alright, I need to go. Okay, fine. It's okay. I don't even know what is wrong with my friend. I don't know who he's turning into. Huh?
He loves her so much.
What do you mean he loves her so much?
Babe.
And he's gradually becoming a houseboy. In his house. Hey, please, let's just pray.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this day.
Uti.
You welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are my kids?
They are inside the house, sir.
Inside the house?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure they're okay? This one, they didn't come out to say hi.
Yes, sir. But maybe they should be sleeping.
Bring this, these are food stuff. Take it to the kitchen.
Okay, sir.
Then wash this cow.
Yes, sir. I will, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. My bag is at the back.
Okay, sir.
Clinton, Trisha, get up, get up! Get up! Who asked you to kneel down?
I don't know. Mom asked us to kneel down and raise our hands up.
What did you do?
Dad, we only went to Uncle Richard's house to tell him about how Mom abandoned us. But we met Auntie Salome at home instead. And so we asked her to talk to Mom to see if she can give us a little attention.
got you guys something to snack on. Yes, I did. I got you something to snack on before I prepare your meal. Hmm? Don't worry, everything will be fine. Yeah?
Naya, you called us to say you were coming to discuss something very important with us.
Dad, you already know what I intend to discuss with you and Mom. But for formality's sake, I want to formally say that I intend to divorce Steve.
What? Ifunanya. So you meant it?
Mommy, you and I have had this conversation. Can we please move past the shouting?
Oh, I'm shouting. Okay?
I can't stay with Steve, Mommy. I told you. The disparity is a lot. I was too young when I got married to him. I knew nothing. And now I know exactly how it feels like or what it is to be in love.
You are not making any sense. Yes, you have only succeeded in speaking Bonkun gibberish. That's it.
God has already helped me file the divorce.
What? Jeffrey, what are you two up to? Why are you so irrational? So you want your daughter to leave her husband that has been there for her all this while? Huh? Hey! Ifunanya, you have never raised a pin in his house. He has practically been the one doing the house chores so that you can attain a higher education.
Do we always have to bring this up, Mommy? I appreciate everything. I'm just saying my happiness is paramount. And I want to move on. I've met somebody I love. And all I ask is a divorce so I can move on with this new person.
Ifunanya.
Mommy.
Have you been cheating on your husband? Hey. I should have known that. So it has been your side man all this while. Your side man has been the reason why you've been showing this attitude to your husband and your kids? Oh my God. Ifunanya, please, do not do what you will regret.
I mean, there's nothing like regretting this. I'm following my happiness, which should be paramount. It has to come first. Because if I stay there and I'm unhappy, nobody's gonna care.
Ifunanya mom, I am your mother. And I will not deceive you. I will always tell you the whole truth. Please, do not leave your marriage. Consider your children.
I want to live my life.
How come you didn't say anything to your last daughter, as a father should?
What do you have me say?
Is that really what you have to say? Judge Jeffrey, why are you being delusional? This is how magistrates like you go about dissolving marriages without putting so many things into consideration.
Your daughter wants out. I think she's an adult. We should try to respect her decision.
Oh, her costly decision, you mean? Did you also hear that part where she said she is in love with another person, someone we don't know? That means she has been cheating on Steve.
Do you also know the part that love will always find its way?
Really?
Will find its way.
Like seriously? Is this what a father should say? Judge Jeffrey, I am surprised at you. me ask you this. Have you thought or wondered what will be the fate of Clayton and Patricia if their parents' marriage should come to an end? Huh?
Who's chasing you? Why are you running faster than your shadow? Why are you not patient? Let us get to the bridge before we cross it. And all I know is I am going to use everything that I have to make sure that Naya gets a divorce.
Jesus. Jeffrey!
I don't like that Steve of a guy. You know, it's just a money misroad without any educational qualification. You are aware how he jetted abroad in his 200 levels.
So?
That means he chose wealth over education. But as for Philip has to his name first and second master's degree. And your Steve has nothing to his name.
And who is Philip?
Well, Philip is the young man that Naya is seeing right now. They were classmates, but now they have decided to walk the aisle. And they are going to do their wedding in court.
Jesus Christ. Jeffrey, you know your daughter is cheating? What kind of a father are you?
All I want is their happiness. All I want is Naya's happiness. And I know that Philip is going to give her that joy that she has always craved for.
What about the kids? Have you thought about them?
Naya is going to have them.
Take them where?
You have forgotten that I am a legal luminary. And I will fight tooth and nail, using all my experience to make sure that she wins the custody of the children and making sure that that young man pays monthly for their upkeep.
Stephen has not done anything wrong by getting married to Ifunanya. And as far as I'm concerned, I know this young man has not done anything in getting married to someone he truly loves.
If only you know how long I waited for this day. A day that Naya would wake up to the realization that she has made a big mistake. And she taking a beautiful stroll out of the life of Stephen.
Really?
Yes.
Have you heard what is said about children from broken homes?
Why are you worried?
Hey, babe, have you told your mom and dad about my intention?
I told you, stop worrying. Yes, I have.
And what did they say?
My dad is fine. My mom, trouble, as always.
Really? Okay, no problem. I will see them by the weekend.
I know. I told them already.
Yeah.
I told my dad already.
Yeah. Okay, but before that, I would like you to serve that illiterate money misroad you call a husband divorce papers.
Straight up. I couldn't wait to. My dad is helping me.
Really?
Because like I'm tired. I can't stand in my dad.
Yes. You don't deserve that, man. I can't wait to have you, baby.
To where?
I can't wait to marry you. See, I'm taking you away.
To where?
Anywhere of your choice.
Oh God. I'm still thinking.
Hey, baby.
Divorce papers. I need them signed.
Honey, I don't understand. What do you mean by divorce papers?
What do you mean you don't understand? I said those are divorce papers. I cannot keep pretending about the sham you call a marriage. Sign them so I can leave.
Hey.
Where are you going?
Honey? Honey, divorce papers? Why are you divorcing me? Why? How?
Can't you? Are you so stupid or so daft that you can't see this is not working? I'm tired of pretending it's not working. I need to leave.
No, come on, baby. After everything I've done for you.
You mean everything you've done for me?
You want to break us. You think about the kids.
Disparity is not working. I have my MSc. I'm a doctor of medicine. You're a semi-illiterate. It's not working. It's not.
Honey, have I ever embarrassed you anywhere? Have I ever for any reason shown the world that I'm a dropout? Honey, everything you are today, I made you. From your first degree to who you are now and who you will be tomorrow. I gave it to you. Why would you want to do this to me, please?
Can you please sign the paper so you can go back to drinking your fresh juice and playing on the computer?
Please, I beg you in the name of God. God.
I can't.
No.
We are not on the same pedestrian. It's not working.
No. Honey, think of our children. Think of our children.
That's the reason. It's part of the reason. The children cannot be around. It's not...
No, I love you.
No, can you please sign so I can go?
No, honey, I love you.
Don't cry.
The world will make me an object of ridicule, please.
Yeah, they'll laugh, but it's only for a while. Sign so I can go.
The reason I'm here is because there's a situation on ground. My wife woke up and served me divorce papers and I'm wondering why. What happened? All I can remember is I kept my own side of the bargain. Everything I promised, I have tried my best to fulfill. So please, I want you to wage in and speak to her.
Steve, you see, what is happening is that you are unlettered.
Huh?
You're a witch illiterate. And so you are undeserving of my daughter.
Sorry, I don't understand what's going on. Am I sensing conspiracy here? Did you coerce my wife to end and destroy our 13-year-old marriage? Huh? What, after everything I've done? After everything I've done for her? What were you even thinking? What are you thinking? Like, you're not even considering your grandchildren.
Steve, I'll suggest you sign the divorce papers. Because as far as I'm concerned, your marriage with my daughter is as good as over. And as for the custody of the children, we shall take custody of the children.
Sorry, what did you say? You want to take away my kids? You want to take possession of my children? That will not happen. I swear over my dead body, that will not happen. And for signing of the divorce papers, I will not do it. Rubbish.
Jeffrey, I am not a party to this, and I will not be part of it. It is you and your daughter that know what you both are up to.
Sir, I'm here with a vet mark file you asked me to bring. Sir, I'm here with the file. Excuse me, sir. Sir,
What is it?
It's...
Get out! Get out!
Sorry, sir.
Call it.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
You said you wanted to see me. So what is it?
It's about my boss.
Steve?
Yes. Mr. Richard, my boss is traumatized. Something is eating him up so deeply and I don't know what that is. He came to the office today and all he did was to sulk. When I tried finding out what the issue was, he yelled at me and asked me to leave.
That's serious. Have you been upright in your duties in the office? I mean, no altercation between both of you in the office?
None that I can remember, sir. He came to the office today by 2:30 p.m. on the dot. I checked time when he arrived. And ever since then, he's been gloomy.
This has to do with Ifunaya. Yes.
His wife?
Yes.
Are they having issues?
I'm very certain they're having issues. I mean, he's not like this.
Sir, please. I don't know what the issue is, but whatever it is, I called to plead with you to check up on him. Find out what the problem is. That way we will know how to help him.
Sure, I will check up on him. And thank you for the information.
I will definitely be in court tomorrow morning. Yes, because I have series of cases to attend. Yeah.
Jeffrey, what has Stephen's children doing in this house?
What has come over you, Bridget?
It is you and Ifunanya that has come over me. What is the meaning of this madness you both exhibited? How can someone of your caliber that calls himself chief magistrate do what you just did? You use your position against your own son-in-law?
Well, that young man is no longer my son-in-law. For the records, the marriage has just been dissolved.
Jeffrey, you destroyed your own fellow man's marriage. Why?
Am I supposed to answer that?
Okay, now that you've brought these children to this house, and Ifunanya is not here, so who is going to take care of them? Me?
Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Stephen, what is this? How? A divorce? Ah, God, Stephen, I warned you. I warned you from the outset. I saw this coming. So after everything you've done for Ifunanya, she now wants a divorce. She obviously used you to get up there. Yes, and you were busy playing a loving husband to an ingrate. Ifunanya wants to finish me. Ifunanya wants to destroy me. She wants to just make a mockery out of me. That's what she wants to do. I mean, I can't make sense out of this. This is preposterous. I've always known Ifunanya is capable of so many things, but I never thought she could go this far. Like, she couldn't even think. She couldn't even think. She couldn't even think of our children, our home. Okay, let's not even talk about me. She couldn't even consider what would become of our kids. Is this how we plan to train our home, to train our children?
Look, Stephen, this is what I think we should do. Alright? You will go to her family, especially her dad, and ask for every dime you've spent on Ifunaya's education. Yes, at least that is their responsibility, isn't it?
This is all I get back. A divorce. This is what I get back for every single thing I did for her. I kept to my own words. I kept to the promise. From her first degree to where she is today. I took care of that. I sacrificed everything. This is what I get.
I've always known this would happen. So where is she now?
I don't know. I've not heard anything from her. I've not seen her. This is all I got.
So about the divorce papers, are you going to sign them?
Yes, I will.
Yes?
Yes.
What do you mean yes?
What do you mean by not yes? What exactly do you want me to do? Do you know what her father called me? She connived with her father to make this happen. Do you know what that man called me? The man called me an illiterate, a dropout, a good for nothing. He said that I am not even good enough to be called a man. Me. A money misroad. Me. When I have sacrificed every single thing. I will sign these papers and whatever will become of it, let it become of it.
This is really bad. Really, really bad.
This isn't love, it's something so rough. I'm dying slow from the weight of love. You end degrees, I lost my name. You chased the light, I took the blame. I kissed your pride, I starved my soul. I played the fool to make you whole. Our children see the crime.
Why are you quiet? What is it?
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong to them? What sin did I ever commit that is unforgivable? What did I do wrong that they had to take away everything that I've worked for? What?
Stephen, you are still not making sense.
What did I do to Ify and her father that they came to take away my children? What did I do wrong? What? What did I do wrong?
This is intimidation of the highest level.
Wasn't I a good father? Wasn't I?
This is so wrong. This is wickedness. How can they do this to a good man like you? I've been admired the way you've lived your life. You're such a good man. They can't do this to you now.
After all the sacrifice, I did everything to protect Ify, to shield her shame. And this is what she pays me back with.
Stephen. I mean, you went overboard with your niceness. You were practically too nice to a fault. I warned you about this.
I was only trying to be a good father and a good husband.
The same reason she took you for granted? Now I can tell you without a second thought that her father is behind this. Yes, he made sure she won you in court. But it's all good. She wants to marry another man, Abi. Let her go on.
God.
This is heartbreaking. I just can't imagine what you're going through now. This is heartbreaking. What is all this?
Listen, Steven, you need to stop whining, get up and move on. Please. This will not help you.
It sounds so easy in your mouth. I want my family back. I want my children back.
Steven, look, I understand how you feel, but this is a court judgment. There's nothing you and I can do about it. So just get up and move on with your life. You're not going to have yourself killed just because you're thinking of one reckless woman out there. I must tell you, you need to be strong-willed and alive for your kids. That's my only advice for you.
You don't have to give up on life. You just need a fresh start. God will take care of everything. Your children will be back to you. Don't worry.
See how easy it sounded in your mouth. I want my family back. I love my children. I love my children.
Steven, listen, I understand how you feel. I've been there before. Okay, I felt like the whole world had come crashing down on me. I begged for death to take me in my traumatized period when Anita left me. But then again, God gave me a second chance. He brought this lovely lady into my life, who happens to be my ex-housemaid. So I just want to tell you, you should be strong and go out there. There's still a life out there. Please.
I need my family back. I need my family back. I need my family back.
Babe.
Yeah?
If perfection was the person, Steve is a perfect gentleman. I don't know why, if now I have people did this kind of thing to Steve.
You know, I warned him. I told him sponsoring a girl to a higher institution doesn't always end well. Steven insisted on getting married to that girl, thinking he wanted a small girl he can control. But on the contrary, she was the one controlling him.
Babe, he loves her, that's why he married her.
But even at that, she was giving him the sign the whole time. He just refused to read the handwriting on the wall. That was his problem.
I don't like this at all. Oh. How can this kind of thing happen to a good man like Steve? Who because of Clinton and Trisha now?
See, Salome, this has got me thinking. You know, I just want to appreciate you in my life. I mean, I thank God I found you. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I will never, ever betray your trust. I love you.
I love you too, babe. Thank you for coming into my life.
Same here.
Let's head home. Kids are waiting already.
Stephen. You're welcome. He will soon join me, okay? Please come and sit down.
I will not sit down. I will stand here and wait for him to come here and tell me why he has decided to destroy my home. Who is it that wants to scream my roof down? With all due respect, sir, what did I do wrong to you? What have I done wrong to you that you have decided to wreck my home? What?
Isn't this the man you said is a gentleman?
Sir, you cannot intimidate me with those words. You cannot intimidate me with those words! Listen, you have taken me to my limits! What sort of rubbish is this?
You think I'm a coward? Who are you? Who are you? You think I'm a coward? I will stand before you and tell you what it is. What sort of rubbish is this? Who are you for crying out loud? You think you can take away my wife and children because you have the whims and caprices to do so? The answer is no. I will stand up and fight for myself.
It is good you know that.
What did I do wrong to you? What did I do? What did I do to you, sir? That you have decided to cripple me like this? Why? What did I do? I'm an orphan, I know, boy. Sir, I might not have a father or a mother, but I have a God. I have a God. You're my judgment. You're my judgment, but God will judge you. God will judge you, and I will stand here and see the victory over you.
Jeffrey. Jeffrey! I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. I hope you know that.
Still you look me in the face like love.
Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Breakfast in bed. Babe, this is for you.
What do you mean?
You love it?
I love it.
Oh, yeah. Sit up, sit up.
Ouch, my shoulder.
Your shoulder, don't worry. After that, I'll massage you, okay?
You made breakfast.
It's your food.
Food, wait first. Let me see from there.
No problem, I will feed you.
I'm still stretching.
You like it? Babe, do you know I'm seriously craving for homemade draw soup with enough periwinkles?
Assorted?
Yes, I'm assorted.
Why don't we go to a good restaurant and order it?
I don't understand. I said homemade.
Oh, homemade, like the one prepared from home?
Yes.
What's the problem? Go to the market, buy the ingredients and make it yourself.
Excuse me? See, babe, we are getting the ingredients and you will be the one to do the cooking.
You were the one who was craving for homemade okra. Who craves it, make it. Who makes it, eat it.
Babe.
Yeah, what is it?
Guess who I saw today?
Oh, stop it, girl. You know I'm not good at guessing. So, why don't you just go ahead and tell me who is it you saw today?
Ifunanya and her new husband, babe.
Oh,
if you see the way they were holding hands, they look so happy together. Like they were coming out from a fast food. She was even blushing. If you see the way they wear. Babe, come to think of it though. Does her new husband know that she's a divorcee?
I'm surprised you're asking me this question. Are you not aware it is this same guy that came to Stephen's compound to pick Ifunanya and the kids on the very day Ifunanya was leaving Stephen?
He's aware now.
Of course. He has been the one coercing Ifunanya to leave her marriage and get married to him.
So she's happy at the expense of Steve's heartbreak. Eh?
Well, too sad, but true. My friend is now a shadow of himself.
I feel for him and the kids.
I feel for him too, but there's nothing we can do about it.
What? She's still sleeping? By this time? By this time? I don't understand. Who does that? The wife. Babe. Babe. I'm ready to go to work. Please, go and make me breakfast.
I can't. I'm really tired. My shoulder. Shoulder is paining me.
What do you mean you can't? I said, go and make me breakfast. I am ready to go to work.
You woke up first now, so you make breakfast.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh, Philip, you know I'm not cut out for these things. And you know, Steve is the one that does all of these things. He cooks, he cleans, and he even goes to the market. I don't want you bothering me or the way you did yesterday.
Really? And you left him? Wait. You connive with your father and divorce your husband so that you can get married to me?
Wait, did you just call my dad? Why are you calling my dad? What's the meaning of that? Please, I don't want any trouble. I don't want any trouble today. You've started now. I don't want any problem like yesterday.
Wait. Did I just... What have I done? Please, go and make me breakfast.
Jimmy, stand up.
Go and make breakfast. What is it?
You're shouting.
I'm shouting at you. Go and make me breakfast. I want to go to work.
Oh God. I said I can't.
Stand up from there.
Jesus Christ.
Stand up from there. Stand up from there. Go and make breakfast. Go and make me breakfast.
Hi kids. Food is ready. Clinton, Trisha, I said food is ready.
We're not hungry.
Take us back to our dad.
But you have to eat first.
I'm not hungry.
Trisha, I know how you feel. I know things have not been easy for you and your brother, but I want to assure you that God is in control. Everything will be fine. Trust me. Come and eat, my love.
Please don't patronize me. I want to eat.
Jeffrey, Peace told me that Clinton and Tricia were so moody all through the day, and as a result they couldn't eat their lunch.
But that is normal. They have to get used to the new environment.
And also getting used to not being with either of their parents. Those children are going through torture already. But Jeffrey, what kind of a father and grandfather are you? You knew what our daughter was going into, yet you allowed her to live with the children. And now she's not here to take care of them.
Were you expecting her to come back to this house as a divorcee? Our daughter is lucky to have gotten married again after the first one failed.
These children are hot.
I know. They'll just be fine. Remember, the court says the father can come anytime to visit them. So don't worry yourself. They'll be fine.
You have to be honest and truthful to yourself. Please take these children back to their dad. I beg of you.
Over my dead body, I will not allow that, what is his name, to take custody of my grandchildren. No, I will not allow that.
Don't forget their kids and the seed of his loins. Depriving a man of his children is just like depriving him of life. And this is wickedness and absurd.
Just let the children be. They'll be okay. They'll be fine. Just with time. They'll be fine.
My children, I heard you both refuse to eat. Can you tell me why?
Grandma, how can we tell you why when you already know the reason? I'm sure Mom is married with another man by now. But why can't you guys let us go? Why can't we meet our dad? Is that too much to ask for?
I wish I can help. Okay?
Grandma, why can't you take us to our dad?
Because the case was in your mother's favor.
How?
The court asked her to go with you guys.
Then where is she?
Yes. Where is she? So, she brought us in the middle of nowhere. And she left. She deprived our father of us. And then she abandoned us. I hate her. I hate her so much. Now all my schoolmates and my classmates are calling me a child from a broken home.
Ifunanya. Don't mourn me. Ifunanya, where is your conscience? What exactly did Steve do to you? That you have to repay him this way?
Mom, Steve is my ex. You let me realize of no harm.
Whatever Steve might have done to you, of which I know he did not do anything to you, what about your children? What has his children done to you that you have to abandon them this way? Then why didn't you leave them with their father?
Hello, Steve. How are you today? Have you seen or heard from your kids? Oh, too bad. What kind of problem is this? Honestly, bro, I feel for you. I mean, I feel for the children as well. None of you deserve this emotional trauma you're going through. Stephen, this is reality staring at you in the face. So you need to get over it and move on. Don't say that, Stephen. Don't say that. Stephen, look, you have a bright future ahead of you. You are handsome, you're intelligent. Just go out there and start another life with another lady. Stevie, come on, you need to listen to me.
Ifunanya, ever since you left this house and married your second husband, you have not called to check up on your children. Neither have you come to visit them. Ifunanya, this is really unfair. What is that supposed to mean? You are tired. This is really so fast. This is hilarious. You married Philip and left your husband, Steve. You also abandoned your children. Ah, Ifunanya. You and your father are so shameless. You are a colossal disgrace. In fact, you know what? You will soon end up marrying husband number 3. Nonsense.
What have I gotten myself into? What? What am I doing with Ifunanya? What is even wrong with me? Huh? Hello, Jude. Jude, I am out. Yes, I am out. Ifunanya cannot be comparing me with her ex-husband. Who does that? Yes. Can you imagine if she's expecting me to go inside the kitchen and cook for her? Yes, now, of course, now. That's what she's doing. She calls herself a career woman. Am I not a career man? Am I not working? See, I am done with this. I don't want to see Ifunanya in my house again. If I go back to that house and see Ifunanya in my house, I will do the unspeakable. Yes. See, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I don't want to see her in my house again. Jude, Mabase, if I see Ifunanya in my house, if I see her in my house again, she will see the other side of me. She doesn't know that it exists. Yes. Let me see her in my house again. Let me see her in my house again. She will see the other side of me. In my house again, I'll kill her myself. This is bad. Let me see your daughter in my house again. I will kill her. You're a magistrate, right? You're a chief magistrate. No problem. Let me see your daughter in my house again. I will kill her and go to jail. I am ready to go to jail. Nonsense. Your daughter is an untrained daughter. She doesn't have sense. She doesn't have home training. She doesn't know how to cook. She doesn't know how to do anything. Let me see her in my house again. Nonsense. I am ready to go to jail. He said, I am ready to go to jail. I am ready to go to jail. Bring her in my house again. Let her come in my house again.
Ifunanya. So this is it. I can't believe you will leave your so-called and loving Philip to come back here. Tell me exactly, why are you here? You have suddenly gone mute. Right? Look at you. God gave you Stephen, a good man, on a platter. But yet, you chose your so-called Philip. You know one thing? If someone had told me, say a soothsayer had told me that you and your father would do what you did to Stephen, I would have called that person a fake.
Ifunanya,
Daddy.
Tell me exactly why you brought your things here.
What else? If not that marriage number 2 has packed up.
Is that true?
Daddy, please. I just want my husband back.
You said what? Which of the husbands are you talking about? Because the last time I checked, you were married to 2 men. 2 husbands.
Stephen.
This is the biggest joke of the century. The highest level of irresponsibility. All of a sudden, an insensitive fellow now wants to eat a cake and have it.
Please. I know that you can help me talk to him. Please, Mommy, help me beg.
Hey! Don't even bring me into your mess. Don't go there. By the way, why are you involving me? Why not call the person that used his legal terms to drive you out of your marriage? You are not talking. Justice Jeffrey, sign. Have you seen what you've done to your daughter? You have ended up destroying your daughter's life. Look at where you have led her to. Can you see?
Good morning, sir. Sir, are you okay? Is anything the matter, sir?
I am not fine.
Is this about your family? You told me you were going over to their grandparents' house to check up on them. How are they?
God, that my children are not fine. They want to come back home.
That's a good idea, sir. But does this mean Justice Geoffrey will not allow you to spend time with your kids, at least the weekends?
The issue here is that their mother is back again.
How do you mean their mother is back? Are you saying her new marriage is over too? Wow. This is bad news, but I think she must have gone to do to the young man what she was doing to you and he said not to wait.
That is not actually my problem. My challenge here is that my children want myself and my wife back together again.
It's a good idea, sir, if you ask me. Yeah, reuniting with your family is the best thing to do because it will give your kids a sense of belonging.
You mean with everything she and her father did to me?
I understand.
It's never gonna happen.
I know you.
It's never gonna happen. Never.
Sir, listen to me even if it's this once. You're angry, of course you should be. If I were your shoes, I would be angry. I know, they did you bad, yes. But for the sake of the kids, accept her back and reunite with you.
It's never gonna happen. Get me my hot coffee. So that is how the frog actually swallowed the elephant. And when the frog now swallowed the elephant, the next thing the frog turned around and now looked behind and saw that there was an elephant standing behind. And the frog was like, I thought I just swallowed you. And the elephant said, yes, you swallowed me, but like, yeah, but what? And the elephant said, then even me that I'm even gisting you, I'm even wondering inside my mind, what am I even saying? How could a frog even swallow an elephant?
Daddy.
Daddy what?
Dad, I missed you.
I missed you too, darling. You remember this is the bedtime story I used to tell you guys those days to make you sleep? When I get so boring your ear, then you will sleep off, then I'll sneak off the room. I remember the first time I woke up and I didn't find you two. I was like, oh my gosh, my whole world has crashed. But right now, I can't find you. I'm going nowhere.
Yes,
I've missed you guys.
Me too.
Who missed my pasta?
Your what?
Pasta.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Naya.
Kimberly.
How are you?
The last time I checked, I'm fine.
How's work? I mean, how is business? Yes, business and work. I mean, and
I didn't know illiterates do business. Sorry guys, do you mind if we continue our story outside?
Yeah.
Maybe in the car?
Yes. Good idea.
Hey guys.
Mom has left a second marriage.
Are you serious?
Yes. Her husband sent her packing and told her that the marriage was over.
Is it true, Trisha?
Yes, Dad. He said he doesn't want to get married to her again. In fact, he brought her boxes and dumped them outside the gate.
Wow.
Suits her right.
Clinton, I have told you that is a wrong way to describe your mom. She's still your mom. Do you understand me?
And now she's pretending. You know, she's cooking, she's washing, she's cleaning, trying to right her wrongs or whatever, but I know that it's all an act because once she sees another man, she will get married and leave us. Again.
Your mom now cooks and cleans? Wow. But that's by the way, how are you guys doing? I hope you are not facing any form of challenge in school.
Dad, you trust me, you don't want to know what we're going through in school. Mom has stigmatized us.
Dad, people now see us as children from a broken home.
It's fine. Everything will be fine. Trust me. Right? The things I brought for you guys, please handle them with care. If you need any other thing, I'm just a phone call away. Right? Right? Okay, I need to leave. See you guys next month.
Where are you going?
I have to go home.
Home?
Uh-huh.
Without us. Dad, did you just hear what we said? Dad, we're tired. We want to go with you.
I know. The court has already... Listen, the court has already decreed that I have to see you guys just once a month. And trust me, I'm working on it and I believe someday we will reunite as a family again. I'm sorry. It's fine. Still love you, yeah? Love you guys so much. Okay.
Marriage gone wrong. I can't believe Ifuna is already out of her second marriage. Eh? What's the essence of all these ones?
How do you mean?
Leaving her marriage, of course.
Oh. Yeah, so Steve told me her so-called doctorate degree holder brought her boxes back to her father's compound. As a matter of fact, dumped the boxes at the father's gate and then drove off.
What? Outside? Not even inside her father's house?
I'm telling you.
If Naya should be ready for a third marriage.
If Naya allowed her family status get into her head, she actually thought she has achieved a lot in life, forgetting that Steve made her who she is today.
Same Steve that she and her father, they teamed up to fight. Oh, what kind of a woman is that? God forbid.
Now that she has tested another marriage, she will tell better.
Steve is a good man.
No, babe. I disagree with you on this. Steve, on the contrary, is a weakling. I mean, there was nothing I didn't tell Steve to make him look for love elsewhere. Or maybe considering taking his secretary, call it, as a wife. But he vehemently refused.
Steve has a paress of heart, oh. His type is so rare to find. Steve!
Hello? Adan Naya. Good evening. How are you and how is everybody at home? I have washed my hands off Ifunanya. I'm only concerned about keeping the children in the family house when they should be with their father. Adan Naya, what would you have me say? Your dad and your youngest sister destroyed that marriage for reasons best known to them. Of course, you and your other siblings should please talk to her to stop showing her face when Steve visits the house to see his children. She is so disgusting. Annoying. She doesn't have any single shame. Honestly, I feel for those children. I'm even thinking of calling Steve to advise him to file for a suit against your dad and Ifunanya. Yes, he should do that in court of appeal, and I am sure he is going to win them this time and have his children back. It's okay. I'm just coming back from the hospital and I'm on my way home. Say me well to your husband and kids, okay? Alright, dear. Take care. Jeffrey, I was told Steve was here yesterday to see his children. And your shameless daughter carried her lousy self to come and greet him. She is so shameless.
That shameless daughter of mine, like you called her, is also your daughter, remember?
No daughter of mine would exhibit the madness she exhibited. Jeffrey, you destroyed her marriage with Steve. And you were so eager to sell her out to another man just to get back at Steve that did nothing to you.
You met me watching the news.
Jeffrey, you must surely reap what you have sown in that woman. Write it somewhere.
I held your dreams in trembling hands, paid the price without demands, watched you rise while I stayed.
Come to think of it, if my daughter's ex-husband was doing all the chores at home and cooking, and she cajoled me to do what I just did, then her mother and her siblings will think I'm
And
evil.
all I ever asked was just to be enough. I carried us where you couldn't see, held your dreams and let go of me. Now I'm breaking under the weight of love that turned to silent hate. I gave you wings, I stayed on the ground.
Where is that noise coming from?
I think it's coming from Grandpa.
Please. Steve, please. I'm begging you. I know that I did wrong. I did. You gave me nothing but love. You gave me peace. You gave me so much happiness and I took it for granted. The saying is true. If a woman doesn't marry two husbands, she never knows who the best one is. I take the blame. I mean, all through our marriage, you never hit me, no matter how stupid I got. Stephen, please. Just one more chance. Just one more chance, please. I beg you. I beg you, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You know, I've always wondered what my crime was. I've always wondered what I did wrong to you, that you made up your mind to ruin my life, the life of my kids.
I'm sorry. I really am.
I was busy loving you, darling, doing everything to make you happy, but you were busy gallivanting and frolicking with your classmates, sleeping with him under my nose.
It was a mistake. I'm sorry.
Do you remember how many times I told you I'm sorry? I know you did what threw it back in my face.
I apologize. I take all the blames. I'm begging you.
I'm sorry.
Yes, I am.
You connived with your dad and tried to ruin my life.
I'm sorry. Please.
Your father called me an illiterate, a good for nothing.
Please.
A money misrode me after every single thing that I have done for you. That is how you paid me back. If your husband didn't leave you, would you have thought we exist?
Please.
Would you have come back to us?
Stephen, I know you have every right to be angry. But please, for the sake of the children, forgive her.
Mommy, I respect you so much. You showed me so much love. But do you know what your husband and your daughter did to me? They tried to ruin my life, the life of my kids. They tried to make me a mockery in this world that I am in.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Your husband actually called me an illiterate, a good for nothing, a money misrode after everything that I did for you. Maybe you need to know a little about me. I am an orphan. And when my benefactor, my uncle, died in a plane crash, I had to drop out from school at my 200 level in the university. But as God could have it, one of the days I was just hawking peacefully on the highway and I ran into one of my ex-classmates who was already established. And he walked it around and took me abroad. You know the rest of the story.
Yes.
I want to believe that now that your new marriage has scattered, your father will package you and sell you off to another.
No. Stephen, please.
Or maybe, possibly, marry you himself.
No, I just want to come back home. Please.
Listen to me. Please. I don't want to ever see you in my life
I'm
again.
begging you, Stephen, please.
I don't want to ever see you again.
Please, Stephen, please.
If you do not leave my way, I will crash through you to the door. In 3, 2,
pride, I starved my soul. I played the fool to make you whole. Our children see the cracks you made. Even then I feel restrained. I became the help, the ghost, the one.
Congratulations, Thank you. Thank you very much. I can't even believe this. I can't believe I won. I can't believe I'm having custody of my own kids. Wow. Thank you, Richard. Thank you very much for everything you do, for all your support.
Well, please don't mention. I mean, Stephen, you are a good man, so I will stand by you in your trying times. All right? So that's not a problem.
Thank you, Colette. Thank you for always being there, even in those trial times with all that heat.
You're welcome, sir, always.
Thank you. And I must send my message to Salome for her words of encouragement. Thank you very much. Thank you. You're welcome. Gosh, I can't believe that. Okay. Let's we're being too uptight. Okay, Colette, go to the store, bring in some drinks. Everybody in the office should have a drink.
Right, boss.
Right?
Sure.
Please. And at least 2 champagnes for us in here.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank you. Woo!
Thank you.
Where are my kids?
Steve, please.
Where are my kids?
They're having their siesta upstairs.
Can you wake them up because they need to go home to their home and sleep in their bed, their rightful bed home? Please.
Yes, sure, but I was thinking perhaps...
I will not say a word to you.
Clinton! Oh God. Trisha! I mean, I'm not shouting, I'm trying to call them down.
Clinton!
It would be nice if you don't yell at me.
No. Trisha!
Nice.
Clinton!
Yes. I am not having any conversation with you if I don't see my kids.
Okay. Hold your hair. Yes, that is here.
Oh.
Daddy.
You ready? Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Oh, home has missed you too. Okay, let's go.
Oh wait, is she going with us?
Yes. Of course I am.
Oh,
please, Clinton. Mommy has to come, right? I mean, it's a family, one big happy family.
Who's mommy?
Actually, the answer is no.
Yes! Okay.
Grab your bags.
Let's go.
No, you don't even need to grab your bags.
Yeah.
You can buy new clothes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, no, your bags.
No bags. Thank you. We can replace everything, Naya. Don't you ever speak to me again.
We can talk about this. Dad! No, wait. Steve.
Hello, Madam Teresa. It's me, Mr. Steve.
Steve? Steve from where, please?
Mr. Steve, the one you...
Oh, Mr. Steve, is that you?
Yes, it's me. How are you, your family, your husband? I hope he's getting better.
Yes, so my husband is getting better. All thanks to you.
I wanted to ask if you don't mind coming back to work with us.
Mr. Steve, it's going to be very difficult considering what happened at your place the last time.
It's fine. But sorry to say to you that my wife and I were no longer together. We're divorced. So you can feel free to work with us.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. What happened?
Maybe if you agree to the terms, when you come around, I can explain.
Oh, okay, accepted.
Okay, ma. I think you have to check your archive. Alright, thank you. Good morning, sir.
Correct.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Would you want me to do something for you?
Yes.
Okay. What? Sir! So what are you doing? Did I do something wrong?
Colette, I've made many mistakes. I've done a lot of wrong things, a lot of wrong decisions in my life. But I want to rewrite my wrongs. I have been with you for a while now, and I have carefully watched you and I have carefully listened to you. I can see the womanhood in you. I can hear the love, the care in your voice, in your heart. I don't know. I strongly believe in my heart that you are the right one for me. Colette, please. I want to ask you to marry me. I know you take care of my children. I don't have to be scared anymore. I don't have to be running from the office back home just to come and take care of the family. Please, marry me.
I carried us when you couldn't see. Held your dreams and let go of me. Now I'm breaking under the weight of love that turned to silent hate. I gave you wings, I stayed on the ground.
Oh, before we forget.
Yes.
Say you scared me.
I did.
And I was quiet.
Oh.
You and degrees, I lost my name. You chased the light, I took the blame. I kissed your pride, I starved my soul. I played the fool to make you whole. Our children see the cracks you paint. Even then I feel restraint. I became the help, the ghost, the wall. Yet I still answer every call. I carried us when you couldn't see. Held your dreams and let go of me. Now I'm breaking under the weight of love that turned to silent hate. I gave you wings, I stayed on the ground. I watched you fly, never looking down. This isn't love, it's something so rough. I'm dying slow from the weight of love. Ooh.